Did you know that billionaires absolutely love debt? It's true. The world's wealthiest individuals borrow billions of dollars every single day to multiply their fortunes and legally avoid taxes. But there is one specific toxic debt trap they will never touch. Yet it's the exact trap 90% of the population walks into completely blind. Welcome to financial success. Today, we are breaking down the math of this ultimate wealth trap and the exact rules the ultra-rich use to stay on top.
To understand this trap, let's look at the numbers simply. Wealthy people view debt as a tool to make money. How? If a millionaire borrows money at a 4% interest rate and invests it into real estate or index funds that pay an 8% return, they just made a clean 4% profit using someone else's money. This is smart money management. The trap they avoid at all costs is consumer debt. This means borrowing money at a massive 20% interest rate to buy things that lose value quickly, like cars, luxury clothes, or vacations. Remember, when you borrow money for lifestyle expenses, you are literally paying the bank to destroy your financial future.
Let's face the facts tonight. The average credit card interest rate is sitting around 22%. There is no investment on earth, not even the best dividend ETFs, that can consistently make enough money to beat a guaranteed 22% loss. When you let your credit card balance roll over every month, you are legally signing over your financial freedom to the bank. Billionaires avoid this because they know the most fundamental rule of the wealth game. Wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep. They simply refuse to pay interest on things that do not pay them back.
If you are trapped in this cycle right now and facing heavy financial anxiety, remember that panic won't clear the balance. What you need right now is a strategy called the debt avalanche. First, freeze all non-essential spending immediately. Second, list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest and attack that top debt with everything you've got. Every extra dollar you throw at that high interest balance is a guaranteed return that stops the financial bleeding permanently.
The financial system is legally designed to keep you comfortable with being broke. But once you break the consumer trap, you can start investing to build true passive income, just like the billionaires do. If you're ready to stop funding the banks and start building your own empire, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment below. What is your current strategy to hit financial freedom? Let's build it together. See you in the next video.